Drew, good morning. As we try to understand your investing playbook, is there one word that comes to mind?
Well, it's barbell, and it doesn't really apply to my New Year's resolution yet. But for investors, it should be a resolution for their portfolio. So growth and mega cap growth has really been the story of 23 and 24. We think you should barbell that with some lower valuation names, especially on the cyclical and some of the defensives, where fundamentals should improve. So it's barbell for 2025.
Do you think investors are getting way too bullish and optimistic about AI and the opportunities that these companies present, especially when there's still this ongoing debate about the return on investment of AI, Drew?
I think in pockets, yes.
Okay.
Honestly, it was around mid-year we started talking about AI a little bit differently. It really wasn't about the back end or the picks and shovels. It was about diversifying exposure. So I want some names back in the value chain, somewhere in the middle, and somewhere more customer or end user facing. So in pockets, yes, AI has gotten extended along with broader sentiment, but there are a lot of opportunities, and we still like the theme heading into next year.
If you're trying to play I, would you go for the semiconductors or the software names that have recently run up a lot?
So it's funny. Overall, we still prefer semiconductors. Our favorite semiconductor in our thematic 30 recommended list is Marvell. I do think there's still operating leverage here, and these companies are monetizing AI growth. If you look at a name like Marvell, its custom AI chip business is probably going to grow about 200% next year, well, with 60% the following year tacked on top of that. So semiconductors, we like those more than software right now.
Okay. What other sectors or stocks would you be selling right now as you get ready for the new year?
Yeah, it's funny. We're lightening up a little bit on consumer. That's an area we really liked for most of 2024. There are some pockets where you don't have as much interest rate sensitivity on the consumer side that get interesting. And then honestly, a little bit of a tangent to that is fintech and the payments background. So it's funny, we like to talk about AI, top of the show, end of the show, you've seen that today. But fintech has actually been one of the best performing themes over the past 2 years, but investors are just starting to warm up to a lot of these names.
And there's also this expectation that there could be policies from the incoming administration that aids that sector. I know names like Robinhood have rallied on the prospect of deregulation and also, something around crypto that could be helpful there as well. Would you be buying Bitcoin alone or as a standalone asset or looking for other ways to play the cryptocurrency?
It's funny, we're not even thinking about that when we think about fintech. Yes, that's a big part of the story, but it's a lot of the traditional payments networks. A lot of it's kind of funny to say this, old school fintech. We like names like PayPal, MasterCard, even something like a GPN or HubSpot, because these names honestly still have a lot of operating leverage and these platforms are at scale. Deregulation still helps them as well as they try to basically battle against traditional banks in that ecosystem.
What keeps you up at night, Drew? I mean, there's the drop in consumer confidence data that we saw earlier this week, rising yields suggesting that rates may not come down as fast as initially expected next year, and then tariffs too, which I know some sectors are more vulnerable to.
Yeah, so the two for us are rates and inflation. When we think about the cyclical themes that we like for next year, a lot of them provide some inflation defense. And then on the rate side, look, we expect a more volatile bull in 2025, but we're not really all in on defensive themes here because we're worried about rate sensitivity longer run. So there, we're looking for rate sensitives, high quality names that honestly aren't that rate sensitive.
What's your top holding quickly going into 2025?
I'll give you a couple out of the Mag 7. We do like Amazon. We do like Meta. We do like Google. You can see our full thematic 30 list. It's out there and published. But 10 themes driven by really 5 pillars for the year ahead.